DID, part of a very important part of our DNA, is about doing good. A social impact is something that is very important. That's also why we've partnered with Microsoft. We had a very big project to help women that are under domestic violence. Microsoft saw it and partnered with us to do Sophia chatbot, which is a chatbot that enables women to speak in different languages, to send messages if they are at risk. We help people that lost their voice, people with ALS and muscular dystrophy.
Hi everyone, I'm Aaron's avatar. Thanks to DID's groundbreaking technology, my digital presence now captures so much more of who I am.
This isn't just mimicry. My hyper-realistic avatar by DID is an extension of me.
We are actually creating a visual representation, giving a voice to the person that is locked inside the body. We take the footage from before that person got sick. We clone the voice.
One example is a person who lost his voice and using our technology became now an influencer. And he has tons of followers, and he told us we brought him happiness back.
One major aspect of our vision is the natural user interface. We call them interactive avatars, and its medium is unlike before. It's the experience that turned into something which is truly humanized. And you feel the difference when you see the expressions, the body language, the visual cues, and this creates the human experience and makes it much more intuitive, engaging, personalized, instead of, just clicking and browsing and interacting with the digital interface we know today. We will be just talking as we are right now as humans.